Today we'll be talking about Prius 2010 and up, or a similar year to this one. I'll show you the fuse box location. So let's get started. The first one will be under the steering wheel. It's right under here. Right there. And to open it, you have to press it. I pressed it and it came off. Fuses are right there. Information is right on the lid. To put it back, gonna have to line it up. It just clicks and that's it. And there's your OBD 2 port right under the steering wheel, and also to reset your tire pressure, or if it shows that on your dashboard, this to reset. Second one's under the hood. Second one's right here. To open it, press the knob. It comes off and there you go. Information's right here. To close it, line it up. Just click and then it goes like that.